Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. It's day 4 of Vlogmas, and I have a super quick one to share with you. Hercules, stop. I made an entire outfit in 4 hours this morning, so I wanted to share it with you. If you're interested to see what I made, then please stay tuned. Okay, so I've mentioned already, I think in Friday Sews yesterday, that I'm going to Ohio next week. So I leave a week from today, and I don't have that many cold weather clothes, as you can imagine. I didn't move a lot of them from Philly to Florida with me. I didn't feel the need. I kept a couple of things for when we go back up for visiting, but I didn't work for the company I work for now when I moved here. So I wasn't expecting to have to go back up north for a week at a time for work. So I need to make a couple of things, but I started with this because I knew that I liked the way that it fit. I have this fabric that I've been wanting to use for a long time and didn't really have anything that I was super excited about. And then it all kind of came together today. So the first thing that I made is this Elliot sweater from Helen's Closet. I have this fabric. It's a jacquard, I guess it's a sweater knit. It almost feels like a ponte. It's definitely polyester. You can tell from the fabric on the inside. I don't know if I can. Yes, I used my rainbow thread on my serger. But I love this pattern, and I thought it would be perfect for the colder weather in Ohio. I don't even like a close fit turtleneck. I can't stand them. I hate stuff tight around my neck. So when I saw this pattern and how loose it was, I thought that's perfect. It's got raglan-ish sleeves. They don't quite cut across here, which most raglan sleeves do, but they fit in like you sew them in like a raglan sleeve. And it's got a high-low split hem, and I love it so much. I made just the short sleeve t-shirt version this summer, and I knew that I loved the way that it fit. So I knew that this wouldn't be not scary. I knew it wouldn't be a question mark in how it fit. It fits me perfect. It's not too oversized, but it's not too tight, and it's super comfortable, and I think it looks chic for the office. And then I was like, this color is not usually me. I think it's beautiful. So it's polyester. I'm not going to dye it. Yes, there are dyes. Rip makes dye for synthetic fabrics, synthetic fibers. I am fully invested in fiber reactive dyes, which require natural fibers. So I'm not buying any more dye. And plus, I think this looks beautiful. I think the texture of the fabric is enough to keep my interest. And so I decided that I wanted to make some leggings to go with it, but I didn't want just plain black, boring leggings. I have enough of those. That's all I sleep in. I don't wear them as part of an outfit, but I had this, where is it? I have lots left over, actually. I had this leopard print knit. I got it from Miley May Fabrics last year. I don't know if you recall. The description was corduroy. At the time, I didn't realize that Miley May really pretty much only sells knits. And to me, I need to do some research. I don't understand what the difference is between a corduroy knit and a rib knit. It looks the same to me. It's ribbed. So not sure what that difference is. But this was described as a corduroy, so I actually was intending to make some overalls with it. So I bought 4 yards. Miley May has excellent prices. So even though this wasn't what I was expecting to get, it was a serendipitous purchase, because then I had them to make leggings with that. I mean, look at this. Does this not pair perfectly together? It does, in case you're wondering. And so I made the Laura leggings from Style Arc, and I'll put the line drawings in here. And I love them because they were super quick. There's literally one pattern piece. That's it. So to Rochelle and Talisha, who host that 5 and under challenge. I think this one wins. So it's literally, it's one leg piece. You wrap it around so there's no side seams. And then you just, there's no waistband. You sew the elastic into the waist and turn it under and top stitch it on. So, I mean, the leggings couldn't be easier. It was kind of confusing to figure out what size I needed. Because I make a lot of style arc, I went with the size that I thought would work. Their size chart, they gave you the sizing for a size 10. They give you the sizing for a size 10 and then tell you that the hip is graded 2 inches for every size. That wasn't really helpful to me. So I went with the size 22. I usually make a size 24 in style arc patterns. Most of the time those come out too big for me. So I figured I'd just size down. These are stretchy anyway. And it actually worked out perfect. I love the way they fit. They're definitely not a workout legging. They are a casual lounging, casual outfit kind of a legging. So I will insert my twirl here so you can see the whole outfit, but I started at 9 a.m. and I finished by 1. That is cutting out the fabric, actually cutting out the paper pattern for the Laura leggings. I already had the Elliot sweater cut out because I had made it earlier this year, but I cut out the pattern and then cut out the fabric for both and sewed them both within that 4-hour time period. And I did the shirt, the sweater, 90% on the serger. The side seams, because of the split hem, the way that they have you put it together is just to press open the seam and then carry that same width down to the part that you're not sewing for the split hem. And so I did the side seams on my sewing machine with a zigzag stitch, and then I did the hemming of the sleeves and the hemming of the hem on my machine with a zigzag stitch. And I absolutely love this. The leggings, again, I made 90%, 95% on my serger. I did all of the seaming. I put the elastic on. The only thing I did on my machine was I zigzagged the top stitching. So you serged the elastic to the raw edge of the waistband, stretching it. I quartered it and stretched it. And then you flip that under and then you top stitch it. So it tells you to top stitch with twin needles. Honestly, I didn't think that the twin needles would show. It wasn't worth going to the effort, and I'm never going to tuck anything into the waistband. So I just did a zigzag stitch on my machine. I did a zigzag stitch for the hem of the leg because nobody's ever gonna see it. And voila, they were done. That might actually inspire me to make more leggings. It was not one of the garments that I wanted to make in my sewing journey just because basics aren't my thing. I like to make something more interesting. So knowing that I can make leggings in any print that I want, I'm gonna be going crazy. Anyway, so I styled the outfit. I wanted a little pop of color, so I put my turquoise dangles in. And then of course, why not mix another animal print in? And I thought that these slides looked perfect with the outfit. And voila, I'm done. It might look good with like a long necklace, and I have plenty of those, so maybe I'll do that when I wear this to work next week. But yeah, tell me what you think. Do you love it? If you don't love it, then you don't have to tell me. Anyway, wherever you are, I hope the weather's amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.